What's the meaning of aliquot? Aliquot. 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 Aliquot.
The term aliquot refers to a portion of a larger sample that is taken for analysis or testing purposes. This smaller sample is representative of the original sample and can be used to obtain accurate results without having to analyze the entire sample. The act of dividing a sample into aliquots is common in many fields, including chemistry, biology, and medicine. By using aliquots, researchers can reduce the amount of time, expense, and resources required for their experiments while still obtaining reliable results. Overall, aliquots play a crucial role in modern scientific research.